Imagine lifting an old waterlogged brick, a forgotten terracotta flower pot, or a rotting piece of timber in the dampest, most neglected corner of your garden. The moment the physical barrier moves, you look down into the dark soil and witness a chaotic frenzy. Dozens of slate-gray, multi-segmented, scaly creatures instantly scatter in all directions, scrambling to find cover from the sudden daylight. Your immediate, hardwired human reaction is a sharp spike of visceral revulsion. You feel a sudden urge to stomp them into the mud with your heavy boot, douse them in boiling water, or wash them away with a high-pressure garden hose. This standard defensive panic is backed by a deeply rooted, universal cultural myth. For generations, people have treated these little crawling tanks as dirty, disease-carrying household pests, primitive, worthless bugs that rot the wooden foundations of our country homes, contaminate dark basements, and systematically destroy healthy garden vegetation. We label them as disgusting moisture parasites that deserve nothing but total, unthinking extermination with targeted chemical pesticides. But that aggressive, emotionally driven assumption is a staggering, profoundly uneducated lie. Not even close. That gray armored traveler you just tried to crush under your shoe is not a dirty bug, and it does not have a single biological link to the insect world. What you are actually looking at is a pristine living fossil, a genuine piece of ancient deep-sea architecture that has survived multiple global mass extinctions completely unchanged. While you are pulling back in disgust, the soil beneath your feet is relying directly on this tiny, tireless engineer to clean up human pollution. This creature is a masterclass in heavy metal detoxification, operating as a biological filter designed to lock away deadly toxins from the earth. Before you is one of the most brilliant, unexpected defenders of the environment, and the moment you understand the astonishing mechanical secrets hidden beneath its segmented plates, your entire perception of the backyard ecosystem will be completely blown apart. Think about that for a second. The creature you just dismissed as a worthless, slimy bug is actually an elite prehistoric custodian executing a critical, multi-million-year-old purification contract right beneath your boots. To truly break past this deeply rooted cultural misunderstanding, we have to tear up the standard insect playbook and confront a shocking biological reality. The woodlouse is not a bug at all. It is a fully fledged, displaced, deep-sea crustacean living right in the middle of your flower beds. In terms of direct evolutionary lineage, this slow-moving traveler has absolutely nothing in common with beetles, ants, or spiders. Instead, it is a direct biological relative of lobsters, crabs, and ocean prawns. Imagine a tiny, land-dwelling shrimp wrapped in heavy tactical plating, or a miniature pocket-sized armadillo engineered by natural selection to survive on dry ground. When you look closely at its anatomical architecture, the deep-sea blueprints become instantly undeniable. While an ordinary land insect moves around on 6 legs, the woodlouse navigates your garden soil using 14 independent joints, 7 distinct pairs of highly coordinated walking legs designed millions of years ago to climb across the uneven, rocky terrain of the prehistoric ocean floor. But the most breathtaking, mind-blowing piece of evidence hidden beneath its segmented chitinous shield is its respiratory system. The woodlouse has been living on dry land for hundreds of millions of years, yet it has completely refused to evolve a standard set of terrestrial lungs or tracheal breathing tubes. It is an evolutionary rebel. To this very day, this creature breathes exclusively through a complex set of hidden, modified gills located right on its underbelly. These are genuine aquatic breathing apparatuses that require constant, direct moisture to function. If the delicate surfaces of these gills dry out even for a few consecutive minutes, the exchange of gases instantly fails, and the creature will suffer total oxygen deprivation. This structural dependency is the absolute biological reason why the woodlouse is permanently obsessed with dampness. It is not hiding under that old waterlogged timber because it hates the light or loves the dirt. It is trapped there by its own ancient anatomy. When you see a woodlouse exploring your garden patch, you are not looking at a native land animal. You are watching a misplaced deep-sea voyager that crawled out of the ancient oceans hundreds of millions of years ago, got permanently separated from its native marine ecosystem, and somehow figured out how to carry out a successful long-term survival campaign right inside your backyard vegetable patch. It has effectively retrofitted its underwater architecture to master the land without ever shedding its original deep-sea identity. However, maintaining this radical double-agent lifestyle on dry land comes with a crushing, non-stop evolutionary price tag, turning every single generation of their family lineage into a desperate, high-stakes battle to preserve a tiny pocket of the ancient ocean in a world made of dry air. This biological requirement for water leaves the woodlouse trapped in a permanent, daily tightrope walk between life and death, turning its land-based existence into an absolute masterclass in extreme climate survival. For this stranded marine voyager, the open atmosphere is a relentless, exhausting hazard. If it wanders away from its damp shelter and remains exposed to dry, circulating air or warm morning sunlight for too long, its wet gills will rapidly evaporate, cutting off its oxygen supply and causing the creature to systematically suffocate on dry land. It lives in a constant state of environmental pressure, forever searching for the perfect equilibrium between drowning in open puddles and drying out into a useless, brittle shell. But the most breathtaking, deeply moving aspect of this survival story is how the woodlouse manages its reproductive cycle, revealing an astonishing level of hidden evolutionary dedication. Because this creature is fundamentally an ocean crustacean, its microscopic eggs and freshly hatched offspring are anatomically incapable of surviving direct contact with dry air. They possess no protection against evaporation. To solve this critical biological barrier, the female woodlouse has retrofitted her body to function as a living, fully operational submarine. Beneath her segmented midsection, she develops a highly specialized, fluid-filled pouch known as a marsupium. When she lays her eggs, they are deposited directly into this sterile, water-insulated chamber. She effectively carries a custom, miniaturized pocket of the ancient prehistoric ocean right on her underbelly, ensuring her developing young remain completely submerged in a perfectly balanced aquatic environment while she navigates the dry terrain of your backyard garden. For weeks, she carries this heavy, fluid-filled nursery with her, continuously monitoring her surroundings to keep her internal ocean stable and safe from the elements. The young hatch directly inside this protective biological hull, swimming safely within their mother's personal sea until they are structurally mature enough to face the harsh realities of the land. This incredible high-stakes display of maternal engineering shows that the woodlouse is not a cold, primitive pest blindly cluttering the dirt. It is a highly sophisticated, defensive vessel carrying the ancient legacy of marine life forward across a hostile, drying world. Yet this intense struggle to preserve its oceanic lineage is only the baseline of its daily routine, because the moment these armored survivors leave their mother's hull, they deploy into the soil as an elite task force, executing a hazardous environmental cleanup mission. Once they emerge into the soil, these armored survivors deploy across the underworld as an elite heavy artillery squad, executing a critical, highly hazardous environmental cleanup campaign. Woodlice are the premier detoxifiers of our planet's soil. As they navigate the dark earth, consuming decaying leaves and rotting wood debris, their highly specialized, ancient digestive tracts achieve a phenomenal chemical feat. They systematically extract and absorb lethal heavy metals right out of the soil. They swallow terrifying quantities of lead, cadmium, and arsenic, toxic industrial residues that would ordinarily poison wild vegetation, devastate root networks, and contaminate clean underground water supplies. But instead of succumbing to these deadly chemical compounds, the woodlouse utilizes a brilliant internal defense mechanism. It safely isolates the toxins inside its midgut, transforming the liquid poisons into harmless, solid, spherical crystals. By crystallizing these heavy metals within its own body tissue, the creature permanently locks the poisons away from the global water cycle, working as a highly advanced biological filter that single-handedly purifies the ground beneath your garden. Yet, this hazardous sanitation mission requires flawless physical protection against a hostile world filled with surface predators. When threatened by a sudden attack from hungry insects or birds, the woodlouse deploys its ultimate structural superpower. It instantly retracts its 14 legs, tightly interlocking its flexible, high-density chitinous plates to roll into a flawless, impenetrable armored sphere. This defensive configuration turns the creature into an unyielding biological fortress, a solid shield of segmented bone that completely deflects the sharp teeth and snapping beaks of common predators. It is a brilliant display of prehistoric defensive engineering, allowing this silent, heavy-duty janitor to shrug off immediate physical violence while continuing its vital chemical defense of our environment. When you look at your property through this updated lens, the old narrative surrounding this armored traveler completely shatters into the soil. The woodlouse is not a disgusting moisture parasite, a worthless household bug, or a common garden pest designed to rot your home. It is an elite, high-capacity biological nanofilter, a brilliant land-dwelling crustacean engineer, and one of the most critical structural caretakers of our planetary substrate. Where our short-sighted, surface-dwelling minds see an offensive, scaly insect cluttered in the damp darkness, nature recognizes a masterful display of prehistoric evolutionary design. This creature leaves your live green crops completely untouched. Instead, it performs the invaluable industrial task of processing dead organic debris into rich, fertile humus, while systematically trapping lethal heavy metals and toxic residues safely within its own body tissue. Your instinctive wave of sharp refluousness when lifting an old timber or concrete brick is a completely natural human reaction to a sudden frenzy of crawling armor. But before you panic and smash these ancient travelers into the mud, take a slow breath and respect the immense mechanical history resting under your boot. You are standing in front of a displaced deep-sea pioneer that carries its own private ocean across a drying world just to keep its family lineage alive. It asks for absolutely no reward, it breaks no ecological laws, and it spends its entire multi-million-year existence executing a silent, flawless decontamination contract that protects our soil, our groundwaters, and our civilization from invisible chemical poisons. The next time you overturn a stone and disrupt this prehistoric colony, suppress the urge to destroy them. Put down the garden hose, smile at this remarkable, slow-moving land shrimp, and let it slip quietly back into the shadows to continue its vital planetary mission. If this high-stakes deep dive completely reframed the way you view the armored soldiers beneath your feet, hit that like button and subscribe. Nature never deploys a specialized defense network without a brilliant architectural purpose. And sometimes, the creature you want to crush is the exact shield protecting the foundation of your world.